today's short video, we are going to learn about the coagulation cascade. So I'm starting with a new series, that is the 2-minute series. In 2 minutes, we will learn whole concept. So in coagulation cascade, we have extrinsic pathway, we have intrinsic pathway. In intrinsic pathway, you have to keep in mind the trigger. The trigger is always going to be the exposure to collagen or subendothelial surface due to any injury in the endothelium. Okay, subendothelial surface. So because of this, the intrinsic pathway will activate, and the extrinsic pathway will activate when the damaged tissue, release tissue factor, and the tissue factor is going to be factor 3. So now we'll start the pathway. So in extrinsic pathway, you have to keep in mind the sequence, that is the 12, 11, 8, 9. This is the sequence you have to keep in mind of in intrinsic pathway. So in intrinsic pathway, after exposure to the subendothelial surface, the factor 12 will activate into active factor 12. This will activate factor 11 into active factor 11. This will activate factor 9. So but first we have 8. So with the help of 8, okay, factor 8 along with factor 11, factor 8 along with factor 11, okay, this is factor 8 along with factor 11 will help in the activation of factor 9. So we have done till here, factor 9 को activate हो गया. Now let us come to the extrinsic pathway. Here you have to only keep in mind about factor 7. Here only there will be activation of factor 7 to factor 7A. Okay, then factor 7A and factor 9A will go and activate factor 10 into 10A. This will activate prothrombin into thrombin. That is factor 2 into active factor 2A. Then it will activate fibrinogen into fibrin. Factor 1 into active factor 1A. Are we clear? This is the coagulation pathway, and this is the common pathway. This is the common pathway for extrinsic pathway and intrinsic pathway. So that's it. Follow for more such exciting tricks. Thank you, and subscribe my channel please for if you want more such videos of 2 minutes.